Incremental greetings. Have you ever used the image occlusion editor for SuperMemo? You copied the template, but that's how it looks, right? I changed that color when creating the occlusion, but everything looks default. The question is, how can I modify this, customize it, right? Yes. So this is none other than text components. Well, HTML components and two image components. The only thing that is kind of unique is that the image components are overlapping each other. But let's say that since the question, and sometimes the answer will be very small, very brief, I want this to be bigger, the image to take as much space as possible. So first I will resize, rearrange, and then customize the colors. So first thing you want to do is press Ctrl E again. Nice. When you see these squares, means that you are in drag and drop mode. So first I will resize this. That's the answer. And the question, which is huge, it doesn't even fit my screen. Nice. So I will have the question here at the left side, lower left side, and the answer in my lower right part, something like that. Now, what's interesting is that both images here have to be 100% aligned. So first, let's resize this. And now, the other one, which should be on top. And let's try what happens. Alt left, alt right. Oh, yeah, it actually works, right? Let's see. Shift Alt L. That's the question. Time. Cool. Absolutely amazing. Thank you, Alexis, for this absolutely brilliant add-on, because we don't have to mess around the fit. If you have to fit, what is the stretch, the normal stretch, proportional field, whatever, nothing to worry about. Then, what's next is the color. So let's say that I just want another color. Boom. And then since this is those are HTML components, what I will do is text, style, and I want my default style, that is dark. Nice. That is because I changed the default styling. And style and edit file, supermemo.css, the default of your collection in the bin folder. Nice. Now it's okay, perhaps I can further customize this, even take less space and resize that. First resize the other image. Oh, now, what do? I want to resize the other image component, but I cannot see it now. There's a solution. Ctrl T. With Ctrl T, you cycle between all the components. So, Ctrl T, and now I have the other image. And let's try it out. Spot on. Nice. So now I have the other template with just one component, so there's no answer. So perhaps I want this, Oh, you know what? Since this is kind of a title, I want this at the top. So I can actually move things around. Cool. So now I have like the title and the image occlusion as big as possible. How cool is that? And let's say that you want to match the same color. So style, edit file, and I will put my background as the same color, all black. Cool. So that is just one idea how you can customize your templates that by default it's all white and so on. Hope this has been useful, and nothing more to add today. See you next time.